Within the walls of Keenan Hall at UNCW lies a place where students gather to create, market, and sell what could possibly be the New York Times next bestseller.
Established in 2000, the Publishing Lab at UNCW gives interns a chance to publish original titles under its own name, including its imprint, Lookout Books. Founded in 2010 by Emily Smith, Lookout Books has gone on to publish 5 novels under its own name. The first was Binocular Visions by Edith Perlman. This went on to win a New York Times bestseller and won the National Book Critics Circle Award.
I did not know what the Pub Lab was when I was applying to grad school here, nor did I know what it was when I was accepted as a TA to work there. So in the Pub Lab, what we do is we do spreads for the Ecotone literary magazine. We do broadsides for readings, we do posters for readings and Writers' Week events and stuff like that, posters for people's random other events that they ask us to design. We do all that signing and InDesign with the help of Photoshop. So I had a little Photoshop experience coming into grad school. I'd done a couple years of a photography class in high school and we used Photoshop there, but I knew nothing about InDesign. So I was learning that from scratch this semester, and it's very frustrating. It's a really cool program if you already have a layout saved and you can just kind of drop in photos and thread text, but it's frustrating to create a thing from scratch. That's what I have learned.
The Publishing Laboratory houses 16 Mac computers, all equipped with the latest software such as Adobe. Here, students and professors have access to publishing tools such as Photoshop and InDesign that help them bring their book ideas to life. While undergraduates work on their own future bestsellers, the TAs and professors are designing covers, marketing sheets, and broadsides for other authors. UNCW's Publishing Laboratory isn't just a place to learn about the publishing industry. It takes a part in it.
I have done, so with Ecotone, with spreads, we'll have the different stories that need, the intro page or maybe double page spread, and at least 2 people get assigned each story, and they read the story to come up with some designs, and then we bring them to meetings and kind of critique them and select whichever ones people like the most, and then that person finalizes the design and submits it. So I've done a bunch of those. Only recently got one that'll actually make it into the magazine, so that's cool.
That's cool.
That's mainly what I have spent my time doing, and then with Writers' Week we had a lot of broadsides and posters to do, so I also spent some time. I mean, coming into this, I was definitely looking at grad school as purely a writing thing, and I didn't really know what the Pub Lab was, but now that I'm in it a bit, I really like it. I like the design side of things. I like thinking about fonts and stuff like that. So yeah, I don't know, I am curious to learn more about publishing. Ideally, I would write a novel and it would be sold and I would make fabulous amounts of money and I wouldn't have to have any kind of other career, but since that won't happen, I think it would be a really fun thing to try the design or publishing side of stuff, at least to fund